Hi everyone, in the today video we will talk about what exactly the Notion is and as a no coder how you can leverage the Notion. So let's start. So for the general audience and for all, the Notion is a note taking app, upgrade version of the Evernote or OneNote that you use to write your notes on all or ideas or the content over this. But I personally feel it is more than that. It is a combination of Google Docs plus note making app plus magic. So it is something you can do a lot of things just using a Notion, and we will cover in this video what exactly you can do as a no coder. But I in this current video I just talking about from the no coder point of view, or how can you leverage the Notion, increase your productivity, or you can help in your business or help you getting a money or even making a money just using a Notion. Yeah, it is possible. A lot of people are doing already. The first use case of the Notion is building a landing page. So suppose you got an idea कि okay, you want to start a marketplace for the dogs, but you want to test the idea. How many users want to check it out? How many users are interested in such product? What you will do? You will purchase a domain, and then you purchase the you build a landing page from the scratch and all. Now you don't need to do that since there is a lot of no code tool out there like Card and all. But since you know the Notion, why don't you use the Notion for that? So Notion, you can even create a landing page and just publish it from directly from your Notion page. Yeah, that's it. That's a pretty easy. So here are the some example. I will say ki okay, these are the people who have used the Notion basically as their landing page. First is optimization.com. Visit optimization.com and see how they create their landing page in the Notion. It's perfectly clean, that all wants, and also delivering the motive and vision behind the company. That is the main role purpose of the landing page, I believe. And it tell your user or prospective user ki okay, this company will do, this company is doing that. Are you interested in such? Yeah, so there is one more landing page example I want to show you. So there is a designer, Jordi, with the name of Jordi. So she also created their landing page in the Notion. So you got to know कि you can create a landing page out of Notion directly. And how you will do nothing. Just go create a one Notion page and put a block as per your understanding, and just go to the right corner and click on share, and go to your purchase a domain name and redirect to this page. That's it. There's a lot of products out there that will help you to do that. So some of are like I believe Potion.com or Super.so. I believe they do that too. So now we will come to the second use case, that is creating a blog. So you build your product ideas there, but you want to educate your audience or you want to get a feedback from your audience. How you will do that? You will write a blog and all. So what you can do there, you just write blog in your Notion page and publish it. Yes, it is that easy. It that easy. So and if you don't want to do yourself, so also there's a lot of more product is out there. So I think MDX.1 is the one product, and there are more product is out there. You can go and search it out, and so that will help you to create a blog based on the Notion. Yeah, you do not need to worry about hosting. You do not worry about the okay what library will goes on, what will not goes on. That will take care by the Notion itself. So you can build your blogs. It's out there. Let me show you some example where people created their blog based on the Notion basically. So this is the Mario blog. So basically he completely hosted their blog over the Notion. So here you check it out. There is a blog posted out there, and you can even go to them and create. So you can even customize based upon needs and all. Third use case is marketplace. So as we discussed previous, You want to create a marketplace, dog marketplace, where you can people can live their dog and sell and purchase the dogs. So you can build that complete marketplace and manage the back end, front end directly from the Notion. Yes, it is possible. So I'm listing a couple of video in the card section. You will definitely check it out. There is a proper tutorial out there where you can directly they will tell you how to build the marketplace based upon the Notion. Yeah. So what you can do that key, okay. So the main issue comes with the marketplace when you have to take a payment. So you can use a third party tools for that. Gumroad, if it is a like one time thing. For example, you are selling some courses or something, so you can directly integrate the Gumroad. When someone click on buy now button and then directly redirect to the Gumroad. So that too, Gumroad page is also linked into that basically frame. So the next use case is selling the Notion based template. You will say, who will purchase the Notion template? And then I will say, there's a lot of people who purchase it because it increases their productivity. It helps them to like manage their task. So there is a couple of consultant I able to figure out who is actually making a money. The first you should check it out, Aslo. So here's a Twitter account and you will go through. He recently said ki, okay, in the last 1 month he earned $3,000 out of Notion template. He was also shared his recipe, how he is able to make it, how you can able to earn it. So how exactly you will able to create a web template and how. So you can create template of meal planning, productivity enhancement template, project management template, bug tracking templates, and sell it that template to to the Twitter, to the Gumroad, anything. That's so there is a one more person you should check it out. That is a Notion Dad. So he is also a consultant, or I will say ki Notion template seller. So you can even ask them to customize based upon your need, specific use case. Okay, you will they will also create it to you, and yeah. So the next use case is managing a backend of any businesses. So as you all know, ki there is a lot of complexity while running a business. For example, this YouTube channel. So I need to prepare. Yes, YouTube channel is also a business. Yes. So I need to manage the idea, my editing team, my marketing team, and my thumbnail how is gonna. So my statics, how particular video will run. So I manage all this from the Notion itself. That is one use case. Second is, for example, someone is running a podcast channel. He have to he's into like interviewing the people and all. So he have to manage the from whom they have sent the request for the interview, whom they accepted, whom they not. So all this they can manage by the Notion. And also Thomas Frank is also releasing one template based upon the how someone can manage their YouTube channel, podcast, and all directly from the Notion. If you are interested, then check it out this tweet. So the next use case is bug tracking. So whenever you listen the bug, you will just say, oh no, I want to put aside and all. So yeah, there is an interesting thing. So I will say it is a sort of the alternative of the Jira. As you all know, ki Jira is a tool, the bug tracking tool, and it do a lot more, but it's primarily a bug tracking tool and even a project management tool that will help software tester and developer to even track the bugs and all. So you can directly do that from the Notion. No need for the subscription of Jira and all. Just check it out this template. You can even copy this template and directly start tracking their bugs and all. Yeah, you can even assign this ticket to your team members. You can increment the so you can even assign the ticket ID and all. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any issue or something, and just let me know. And if you have any question, just comment it out. I will more than happy to help you. And don't forget to check out my super page Hope you like this video. Please share with your friends and all. Thank you very much.